Welcome. Today I would like to show you how you can remove classes and or students from your StudySync account. So you're in your account and you're going to click to go in, and up should come your Connect Ed page. On this page you are going to be clicking Manage and Assign instead of clicking into your lessons. So we're going to click on Manage and Assign, and you're going to come down to this next group of tabs and you're going to click on My Classes, and over here you'll see a drop down which will give you all of your classes. And I have two classes here with no students in them. I want to get rid of those, so I'm going to click on the class I do not want any longer, and I will see that there are a list of things to do here. I want to remove that class, and so I'm going to click on that button, and up will come Remove Class ? I do want to remove it, and I will click the OK button. And when I go to my drop down, I will see now that that particular class has been removed. You can do this same thing with your student population to take them out, and then they will no longer receive the lessons that you are pushing out to that particular class. So if a student has moved out of a class and are not yet removed from your roster, you can do that right here. So you would click on Remove this student from class. So you'd have your whole list of students, and you would click on Remove, and you get this same tag here. And again, you would push OK if that is what you want to do, is to remove that student. And I'm not going to do that right now, so I'm going to cancel this. But this is how, again, how you can remove a student from your roster so that they no longer are getting the assignments that you're pushing out. The next thing I want to show you is how you can clean up your StudySync page that shows all of your classes in the users. So up should come my StudySync account, and I'm going to come up here to Users, and I'm going to see that I've got this whole list again. I've got my English classes, I've got a homeroom class, my core classes. If I want to delete one of these so that it cleans up this page, I can go over here to the gear, and I'm going to go here to this homeroom, and I'm going to now see that I've got some options here. I'm going to mark group as inactive, and so I'm going to click on that, and it's going to tell me that I'm going to create an inactive group, and I'm going to say yes, I do want to do that. And when it comes back up, I no longer have that inactive group on my page here. So that's just one more thing that you can do to clean up your StudySync account, as well as the first piece where you could remove either classes that you're no longer teaching or students who are no longer in your class. So hopefully this will be helpful for you, and you can fix those rosters.